Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is devlog 5, and I am super happy to show you guys what I've been working on. But first, there is something I need to get off my chest. I'm really sorry that I haven't uploaded since last year. Dude, nothing? Really? Oh, tough crowd, I guess. Anyways, I finally finished the enemies. So for everyone that doesn't know, I'm making a game called Upfront. In this game, you manage the restaurant front business for a mafia. During the day, you cook and serve food to customers, and at night, you defend your restaurant from rival mafia members. Okay, so the first thing you do is to make a guy that just shoots. And this is the hitman. That's his job is to stand outside of the windows and snipe in at the player. And this shouldn't be too hard. It's just make him look at the player, which I already have stuff for that. Spawn a projectile, shoot it, and the player already does that. I already have all the code. I mean, easy peasy, right? It wasn't easy peasy. Anyways, after doing some research, I finally got this guy rotating. And after slapping in the same code that the player uses to shoot, he's finally completed. Wait. Rewind that? Oh, of course. You can just grab the bullets from the air as the enemy is shooting. Well, that's definitely supposed to happen. Let's just move on from that, okay? It's just a little secret between me and you, but nobody has to know about it. Okay, yeah, it's bothering me way too much. We have to go. Just go figure out what's wrong with it, please. Now we can move on to a more complicated enemy, the Grunt. This enemy is going to do less damage, but it's going to be inside of the building chasing after the player. And that is it, folks. 12 lines of code is nothing. And it only took me a couple seconds, too. Okay, well, it took me like an hour. But how many lines of code did you write, huh? Anyways, now we can just slap that guy into the scene and see how it works. Oh, it doesn't work at all. Okay, be a quick fix, nothing big. $2? Okay, well, it's worse than I thought it was going to be. But it's still good. We're making good time. Anyways, now we can just put this guy in here, for real this time, and he now works like a charm. Now into the last enemy, the missile mobster. This guy will fall through the ceiling with a rocket launcher. He shoots slowly, but he deals incredible amounts of damage. I mean, functionally, he's just the hitman with a rocket launcher. And after doing some code to make him fall, he's also ready. Okay, so now that I have the enemies done for the prototype, the only thing I have to do is to tie it all together to make sure the game can play, make some programmer art, and finally ship it out to you guys. Now, if you'd like to playtest the game, which I'm hoping will happen soon, I have no idea when this video is going to release, but I think it's going to be the week after this video releases, so pretty soon. If you'd like to get access to that playtest, the best thing that you can do is subscribe to the channel and also join the Discord server. I'll be putting all of the updates for this game, and also you'll be able to talk to me if you have any issues with it, whether that's my videos, any other projects I'm working on, or if you want to talk about this game too. You can get access to the playtest pretty easily. Just send a message in the Discord server, and I'll make sure to add you to the email list. Anyways, all of that rambling was to say thank you so very much for watching. A like and a comment goes a long way, and I hope that you have a nice day.